You've learned how powerful Canva's AI features are for graphic design. Now it's time to put that knowledge into action. This activity challenges you to design a professional 5-post Instagram set using only Canva's free AI tools. Consistent, engaging visuals are key to building any brand on Instagram. As a virtual assistant, this is a skill clients will pay for. This activity will help you master creating a cohesive set of social graphics, proving that you can deliver stunning results without a paid subscription. Your challenge is to create a 5-post Instagram set. Your toolkit includes Canva's incredible magic media for text to image generation, along with their extensive library of free templates, free photos, and free graphic elements. Let's break down how you will achieve this. Your first step is to choose a simple, relevant theme for your 5 posts. For example, 5 tips for boosting productivity or 5 ways AI helps VAs. This will be the core content for your set. For each of your 5 posts, you will generate a unique yet cohesive background using Magic Media. Go to Canva's apps, then Magic Media. Use descriptive prompts like abstract minimal background with soft blue and green gradients, clean lines. Generate several options for each post, making sure they fit a consistent visual style. Then select one for each of your 5 posts. Remember, these are custom, unique images and they are completely free. Next, open a blank Instagram post in Canva. Drag your first Magic Media background onto it. Now, go to the Design tab and apply the free filter when searching for templates. Find a simple quote post or tip post template that you like. Don't just use it as is. Leverage it for layout inspiration. Add a text box for your first tip and customize the font using only free fonts available in Canva. Adjust the colors and size to ensure maximum readability against your custom background. Now, simply duplicate your first post. Replace the background with your second Magic Media image. Add your second tip and repeat this process for all 5 posts. Ensure a consistent look across the entire set. Same fonts, similar color treatment, and a cohesive feel for your background. You can also add simple free graphic elements like arrows or check marks to enhance your message. Congratulations! You've just harnessed the power of AI to create a professional 5-post Instagram set. Download your completed set and feel free to share your AI enhanced creations with our community. You're now ready to tackle any social media graphic challenge.